Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps on this device. So first you should go to the app gallery. And now here on the right down corner, tap to me icon and scroll down to the settings. And now here you can see the auto update app section. Tap there and switch the Wi-Fi only to the just to off, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.